Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Samsung Soundbar HW-B450F with wireless subwoofer. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this gear to your TV via Bluetooth. Switch the soundbar on, we'll show you hello, then select Bluetooth pairing, we'll show you BT pairing. The next thing to do is switch your TV on. So the TV is on. You need to go to your TV settings, scroll down to sound out. Sound out is currently showing us TV speaker. You need to select on the sound out, then scroll to the right to Bluetooth device. Scroll down to device list, select on the device list. Now it's searching for available Bluetooth device. Then you need to look from the list. B series soundbar is found. Then you need to select on it. It's connecting. It's connected. And once it's connected, it will show you from the display. It's showing us LG Webbos TV. And also it will show you that it's connected. And when the connection is made via Bluetooth or HDMI, you can control the volume using soundbar remote or your TV remote. When it's in optical, you can only control the volume using the soundbar remote. So we connected this via Bluetooth, so you can control the volume using the TV remote or soundbar remote. Now I want us to go to YouTube. I'm afraid due to copyright issue, I can only play audio from a YouTube channel. So I'm going to go to my YouTube channel. So this is the audio. Well, welcome to Creative Tools School. My name is Vincent. Today I want to show you the process of signing up to Stan Store. We're going to sign up to Stan Store, so I'm going to walk through the process with you. Stan Store is a tool that many creators are using to sell digital products. I want to give you information about this store and tell you why I like it. So you can increase the volume. This is a lot of entrepreneurs that I follow. This is TV remote, and this is this invested in this soundbar remote. Stan Store, think of it as a digital storefront that lives. So this is the audio. A single link like stan.store/your name. It replaces tools like Linktree that adds serious selling power. With it, you. Now I want to talk to you about the remote control. So we have connected this via Bluetooth. This remote control, you switch the soundbar on and off from this button. This button is input or source for you to select TV ARC or D.IN for optical or USB. This button is for you to select Bluetooth to put the soundbar in BT pairing, Bluetooth pairing. The center one is pause and play. You also have up and down and side arrow button. This button is for you to mute the audio. You have sound mode. Sound mode is for you to select standard or bass boost. If you keep selecting it, then you look from the display, it will show you surround, game, adaptive, DTS Visual X, bass boost. So you select this from sound mode. This button is display. It will display the connection the soundbar is made of. You have this button as volume. Pull it up to increase the volume. Pull it down to decrease the volume. This button is woofer. Pull it up to increase the volume to +6. Pull it down to decrease the volume to -6. You have channel level. When you select channel level, use up arrow button or down to select the particular level you want. And also this button with gear, you select it, you go to night mode or voice enhancement. Voice enhancement, then you use up arrow button to switch it on or off. It's currently on, then you select it again, it goes off. If you select this button with gear, select it again, it goes to voice enhancement, night mode, then use up to switch it on and off. So it's currently on, then select it again, it go off. This button, tone control, you select it, you go to treble. When you select treble, then use up or down arrow to increase the treble or decrease the treble. If you select the tone control again, it goes to bass. Use up arrow to increase the bars all the way to +6 or +5. Or you can also select it again, it goes to bars, then use down arrow to decrease it. So these are the features, things you need to be aware of how to operate the remote. I hope this helped you. We have hooked this up to TV via Bluetooth. Thank you very much indeed.